Once you finish your graphics, we need to save this both as a Photoshop and a JPEG. What you're going to turn in are the 3 JPEGs of your design. Do not turn in the Photoshop files. They're simply going to be really big. To save this as a Photoshop document, simply go to File and Save. This will give you all of your layers and keep everything nice and simple. To quickly make a JPEG version of this, go up to File and go down to Save a Copy. Save a Copy allows you to keep the name of your file. Notice it'll add copy at the end of it, but that's okay. But it'll also allow you to change the format of it to be JPEG. Notice that layers is not an option. This will automatically flatten everything down. Pay attention to where it's being saved to and click Save. Under the options, do make sure it's a nice high quality file, so this will make it a larger file, but that's okay for what we're doing, not very big. And we'll say OK to it. Now if I go into my graphics folder, I should have both a Photoshop version with all the layers, as well as a copy of it of just the JPEG. This one's much smaller, easier to upload, and these are what you're going to upload for your to the Canvas page. Remember, you're going to be making 3 different graphics. So you could potentially use the same layout and same starting point for this graphic for your other ones. However, do be aware that each one has some different photographs that you can pick and choose from, as well as different logos and a different background. So as you're changing up the information, make sure not to choose the wrong information or not change the appropriate graphics. When you're finished, all 3 of your JPEGs, one for each of your different designs, needs to be uploaded to the Canvas page.